Hi, my name's Noah, and today I'm going to show you how to make an appointment through Navigate. After logging in, we'll be taken to the home page. Then, on the left-hand side, the third option down, we'll see Appointments. After clicking on it, we'll be taken to the Appointments dashboard, where we'll see our upcoming appointments and appointment invites sent to us from our advisor. We don't have any appointments right now, so let's make one. In the upper right-hand corner, we'll see a button to make an appointment. Clicking on it takes us to the new appointment page, where we can select what type of appointment we want. We want an academic advising appointment, and it looks like it's already filled in. Then we choose a date for our appointment. Let's choose tomorrow, March 10th, and find an available time. It looks like our advisor doesn't have any availability tomorrow, but they have lots of open slots on Monday. Let's choose the 10 a.m. to 10:45 a.m. time slot. After choosing a time, we'll be able to review our appointment details and confirm the appointment. After scrolling down and making sure the date and time are correct and the advisor, we'll select how we want to meet with our advisor. We can choose in person, on the phone, or over Zoom. In this case, we'll do Zoom. Then, we're going to let our advisor know that we need some help choosing what classes we want for next semester. Then, after that, we can choose to be reminded through our email or through text messages. Then, finally, after entering your phone number, you can click schedule and get your appointment. Great! Now we can go back to the appointments dashboard and view our upcoming appointments. I hope this helps next time you need to make an appointment through Navigate. Have a great day.